Hey guys, welcome back to another episode, and today we'll be unboxing the ASUS ZenWiFi BD4. Let's jump into this. Starting off, we have the warranty notice, like you can see over here. This obviously is just to give you details around your warranty in your respective country. Next up, we have a notice to ensure that your drivers are up to date before using these routers. We have your CE standards along with the safety notices. And most importantly, we have a quick setup guide. Now, in this pack, you get not one, not two, but three wireless routers to work with. Now, one of these units is the main unit, as you can see over here. It has a little sticker on that says, "Hi, I am the main unit." You obviously get your wall adapter to plug all these routers in. You do get 3 in the box. And we have this very special cable, which seems to be very, very flat. I mean, look at this. This has to be one of the flattest cables I have seen in some time. So now let's cover what this router actually does for you. Now, in terms of Wi-Fi, this has got a 2.4 gigs band and a 5 gig band. On the 2.4 gigs network, you can expect data transfer rate of 688 megabits per second. And on the 5G, you can expect up to 2.8 gigs transfer, depending on how close these are to your devices and how open the signal is. Now, inside of this device, there is 4 antennas inside which push those signals through, which obviously is neatly tucked away in the housing. In terms of memory, this has got 512 megabits for RAM and 128 megabits for flash. How many devices you can connect to these? You're looking at 150 plus devices that you are able to connect to these routers. With these 3 units, you should be able to cover up to 6,500 square feet. And for those of you on the metric system, that means 604 meters roughly. Now, where do you want to use this? Obviously, if you have a nice large home or small office, these would be ideal to hook up because you get 3 of them and they'll cover quite nicely. Don't forget to like and comment on this video and hit that subscribe to give us a follow so we can bring you more content like this.